before everything just went
What is good, y'all?
blank.
Welcome back to another video, and it is early morning. It is cold, but right now we gotta turn on the car, get the cold start, and get up out of here and go pick up the homie. Cold start. Oh yeah, cold start for sure, for sure. Woo. Alright, so we're gonna go pick up the homie Big G and we is out of here. I literally had called him like 20 minutes ago to wake up, so on my way, pick him up, and then we're headed to Brekkies Car Club. I think that's what it's called. It's a cars and coffee. I've never been there, out in Staten, California, I believe that's what it says. So we're gonna make a drive out there, little 50-minute drive. Should be dope, bro. I hope I can get some parking inside, because that's why I'm trying to leave early as I can to get some parking in there. You know how that always goes for me, guys. So hopefully we get some parking in there. But if you guys are all having a beautiful, amazing day, make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for your boy, and be part of the family. Like I said, it's about to be a lit day. I'm about to have the homie Big G as passenger princess. I feel like I haven't vlogged in like so long, but it's only been a week. But it feels good to pick up the camera again. I feel like when I'm not vlogging, I feel like I'm not doing anything, if that makes sense, bro. So I love anytime I get to vlog and show you guys and bring you guys along with me. And you guys hear that from the seat? I need to fix that because it is rattling under the seat, some yellow clip, and I need to put a rag over it so it stops rattling. As you guys can hear, it's rattling. Que lo que mi gente, we got the homie Big George in the building. Ya tu sabe.
This fool got me up all early and shit on my day off, but I'm here.
Yes, sir. Bro, it is rare for this fool Big G to come up
you guys
this
know I be
early
flaking,
to
man.
me, man.
I
That's
be
what I'm
flaking,
saying,
man. I'm Mr. Flakester.
Oh, baby. Hey, but we got him out today, so ain't no flaking today. It's gonna be a good one, y'all.
Sure.
So we have made it. Everyone else is trying to get inside from that side, but we just kind of came over here on this side of the... I hope I can get some parking inside event, because yeah, we weren't gonna find any parking, so a lot of people just started coming this way too. So we got some beautiful Porsches, Hondas, E30, another Porsche right here, this GTS. So beautiful, bro. Damn, this thing, this is the dream, this is the goal. One day, bro, one day. And then we got the little Mimi right here. Mimi. That ass. But like I said, bro, there's a lot of cars that were coming in this way. We were gonna come in this way, but we're just like, we probably won't even find parking or anything like that, because cars just been kind of lined up here. Sylvia, R33. Yeah, see, we had to come hella early, bro. Look at the... Yeah, we would have had to come hella early. I think it's beautiful, R32. Sheesh. Yeah, that's just dummy. We got a Z4 Supra. The homie Sal. Yeah, I was about to say what's up right now. Hey, fool, hey, what are you doing? You guys, what's good with you, G? Man, this Porsche is clean. This G35, nice on the Meisters. This is clean. I like. Got right here, Gallardo, bro. Huracan, Porsche, another Porsche, Aston Martin. Like I said, bro, we had to come hella early for this. Right? I told you, bro. This is why I gotta bring Big G outside, bro. He's never outside. Never wants to come outside. I'd have to be here like at 6 a.m., bro. I'm about to go with my clock in my shift over there with my In-N-Out beanie. In-N-Out's over there. Bro, a lot of whips right now. We're just kind of... We still gotta figure out where we're gonna start walking, or should we get coffee first? You want some coffee first?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Let's go inside. Damn, bro. Damn, seeing all these cars parked here makes me like regret not trying to come park in here. You guys always know, bro, every time I come out of a car show, I try to park inside the show and I never end up parking inside the show. It just always ends up being like that. A lot of whips, bro. We got a lot of Porsches, as you guys can see. Even this BMW right here, crazy. McLaren, as you guys can see, yellow NSX. I think this is Beamer fans right here. Sheesh. Crazy ass kit, bro. NSX right behind it. Another G82 right over there, that green one. Damn, this thing is sitting nice. Yeah, I was just looking at this G80, and this G80 is so damn clean. Look at the fatties all around the triple chrome cage. Yeah, this thing is tough, bro. I love how he did the fishbowl look so everybody can see through and peep the carbon fiber seats. Damn, bro, this thing is glistening all around. The paint is busting. Damn, bro. Yeah, this is a beautiful G80 right here. Next to the G87, obviously. Yeah, that G87 wide body. Too tough. We got the Paul Walker Liberty on this R35 Skyline. Look at a little livery from the R34. This is clean. Look at the seats in this though, bro. Damn, these carbon seats. To the Ferrari. And then we got Back to the Future right here. Sheesh. And the music's about to start, so I'm gonna have to probably be a little loud now. But we got Back to the Future right here, bro. This is crazy. Sheesh. Doors go up. You guys already know this thing is so clean. Oh, that is so clean, bro. Even the glasses. This is so tough. And look at what we see right over here, bro. Beautiful R34 on this blue side. Oh my god. So perfect, bro. Next to this R32, I believe. Yeah, R32. But, damn, next to this 300. Man. Damn. Sir. Damn, and then we got another R32 right here. Holy shit. This is tough, bro. I think this is the first time I've seen an R32 with a camera like this. This thing is sick. Look at the stretched tires he has on here. Crazy. But clean, bro. But clean. This is sick. A lot of cars still rolling in. And look, we got a little Honda over there. Look at a little Honda. Little meeps. All these little meeps are popping out of nowhere. Yeah, bro. There's like a couple lanes. So we got 1 row, 2 rows, 3, 4. I think like 4 or 5 rows of just cars right here. And then obviously if you want some coffee over there, they got some vendors set up too. And then at 10 they open in and out. That's where I clock in. Me. Pretty sick though. This is my first time actually at this event, so it's pretty dope. This right here, I know, bro. Look at that turbo. Whew. All 3 of these right here. 5-year.
Which one you taking though?
The R32, low key. I love the. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm taking the R34, dog. Come on, dog. This is a dream car of mine. I would love to have an R34. I think anybody would, especially if you saw like the movies Fast and Furious growing up to all that. You definitely want an R34. This is gonna be very tough for these guys because they gotta move this traffic somehow, and then there's people trying to get out from this side, and yeah, bro, they just all blocked it now. Bro, look at this Chevy SS. This thing is so clean and mint. The interior in this thing is so beautiful. But just in general, this thing is built beautifully. Everything is so tucked and nice. The interior, bro. The interior is what sold me. Just look how clean and simple this thing is, bro. The seats, all that, bro. So clean. The wheels, the tires, all this. Fire. Bro, do you guys see this, bro? SLR right here? This thing is insane, bro. Probably an expensive ass car. You guys see the McLaren logo? This thing is so nice. Look at this. Sheesh. Looks so good. Like I said earlier, bro, they're bringing out all the meeps today. Damn. We got the McLeese right here. And the Golf livery, this thing is clean. We got this SS looking beautiful, but then we got this Carrera GT right here. It is a beautiful Porsche right here. This thing is crazy, bro. Look at that. My battery's about to die, guys, so I'm like trying to be mindful with what I film and everything right now. There's a lot of cars in every aisle right now, bro. So I'm just trying to be very mindful on what I record. Got this olive green Porsche right here. I'm a little iffy on that color, but almost gives me Shrek vibes. We've seen this beautiful HKS livery R34 next to the R33. Ooh, damn. And then we gotta find the next R8. Looks very clean, bro. Very nice. Clean. I like the BBSs on this side. That's just tough. M2. Then we got the M4. Then we got the Lotus. This Porsche right here, though. This Porsche right here is crazy. Damn. We got that new wing on there. That's a little dummy clean. That's just tough. And then we got this Porsche race car right here, bro. Look at this with the single seat. Oh my god, GT2 RS at that. The Club Sport. Oh my god, the dry carbon fiber. Nah, this thing is mad tough, bro. Air duct on this. Guys, so we had swapped over to the phone because my camera has officially died on me. So yeah, I forgot to bring. Damn, that Porsche, bro. This thing is nice. On the Blitzos is crazy too, bro. This thing is clean. I like, bro. I like. And then we had to record this, bro. This E30 convertible, bro. What? This is sick. I can see Tyler the Creator whipping this. No cap. Damn. Missing headlight. Nice boy. Oh, the McCleasy. We got the McCleasy. Woo-wee. Man, you can smell that thing. Rev it. I think it's so nice though. That diffuser. Check out this beautiful NSX, bro. And these triple chrome Meisters. I want to say black chrome actually. Man, this thing is clean, bro. Next to the R34 and the R35. Shit. The Porsche. Damn. And the Pista. Oh, sheesh. That's tough. Sheesh. Damn, bro. That thing is so fire. Damn. It's probably so loud. Damn, that thing is so clean. Guys, I want a Porsche GT3 so bad. Damn, bro. Look how good it looks. Oh my god. And look at what we find, bro. A beautiful Senna and this Nardo gray. Damn. Y'all just see this? Damn, that dude is bumping over there. But this thing is so clean. Beautiful, bro. The spec is insane. Just look at this. Oh my god. And then we got this S2000 right here, bro. That paint is hitting right now in the sun. White wheels. Maybe I should just get some white TEs for the Supra, huh? And just keep the Workmeisters and just swap them back and forth here and there. New Agile bumper on the red looks clean. This one looks tough too because I like the Advan GTs. The Advan GTs are nice. They're really clean. Maybe I should get those. This is nice too. This is also nice. But I want the Agile wing, guys. Fudge, man. The Agile bumper just looks really good. And I haven't seen anyone yet rock it with the blue color that I have. The refraction blue. I've seen no one yet do it with that color. So I would probably be the first. Unless somebody beats me to it. We got more Supras. We got the one with the Meisters. I need to get that lip again. If I don't get that bumper, I'm going to just go back to this lip. Literally, because it looks good. And I like that lip a lot. I might just do that. Damn, bro. Look at this Ferrari. Whew, on the white SSRs. This is too clean. Damn. This thing is mad tough. Look at this Velside RX-7, bro. Damn. This thing is clean. What? Clean, bro. Shit. Oh my god, Velside RX-7. That is sick, bro. Yeah, that's fucking clean. That's literally Tokyo Drift right there. That's insane. Guys, tell me if I'm tripping. But if you look at this for like a quick second, this looks like a FRS or like a GR86. But it's a Tesla, bro. Wide body. Which is crazy. But if you look from the front, it almost looks like a GR86. Which is insane. But it is a Tesla. Low-key, it's sick, bro. It's a sick Tesla. Look at the wheels. The wheels he has on here are fire. I like that color and that finish. It's just clean. But I think we're about to get up out of here because, yeah, it's pretty much about to end. But we parked on this side. We just didn't get to get inside. There's even cars over there, and I think a lot parked back here. Look, there's a pink Supra right here. came back to the valley and we had to pull out the M340i with the homie George. And damn, look, bro. Look at the camera captures it. My headlights are yellow, but you guys can't even see it. But on George's, you guys can. On mine, you just can't. But the carbon is glistening though, I won't lie. But yeah, right now we're about to pull up to the store because we're gonna buy a couple of things. Damn, bro, our whips look so good right now. Look how low it looks because we're at a decline right now. Damn, the Supra looks so good right now, just right there. Two B58s next to each other. The 4-door and 2-door. It's crazy.